we want to place the hotels on any bomb the mark. अरे विशाल hotels on any bomb the mark. We want justice. We want justice. non party ni khoroksa MLA amno allegation khayo amok nathasi amok ereng si khanchana sabanya bagasi amok kun khaija ge amai ne je kok sucha tongo amna tui nung tama sanamu chong
am hai MLA nang sanai am hai jere tumono chine MLA fan sin to hangai concern minister dabang khamabo Bozurin tourism minister ka bori play rechang tam ni bagai sob samai lupa bas kang phai je bebang nukjak sijang ni saksang la asa proof khana ni musung ba bobak rasa sini bokin naki bosini tipra moth spokesperson diba bobak rasa sini all in all sini tipra moth hobo ke leader kre one and only bobak rasa sini mara pradul bikram kisan mari ko bini leadership sing joton kaisa ki himu aisi abon bising tai kare ke sing leader kre tomuno sini tipra moth kun spokesperson samjay ko bomuno bonga hankai bori play rechang botam replay na dorka bai sing tini oro Sengoro indicate kayo to the chief minister and to the tourism minister. Baru reply rechang, baru reply na bagi. Being an ML nang hayamel kabang matong le. Sini tay tipra mo tango. Baru runai baru tangi dia ban, tangi dia sob sampai bas tango phai nukjana ni social media bo nini footage punogai nini je pungo phungane. Abar uno kisa bondo khage chau haisi. Sengtang bai fight kon abun main focus khane bai ang koyo haisi. Tipra mo tong tu tipra. Bila jotan hambai Dini sing YTF ni bising tei sing dini sorry wait just waiting
so
again repeat from the beginning Bila jotan hambai dini sing Youth Tipra Federation yakiba YTF Tipra Mothani Youth Wings ni bising tei sing dini kaisa memorandum submit khana thangi tongo sini DM West District tamni hinba northern saimano kisisa social media ni bising tei sing jakhamani nugmani abo official order kunu krifano je kramani bising tei YTF sobsam bas kang himi tongo jang nimba sini je sini historical place sini Pujavanta Palace abo sini governor house bus namjaka abno tabuk sing je knawo boro government of Tripura Taj Group by boro kok sabai aro Taj Hotel namjaka sing oppose totally condemn tei oppose kai haise tamni bagi himale hai kabang ma historical place sing kabang ma demolish khajama sunnuka thangnai CPM amale sim bas sunnugui phaikai haise Swami Vivekananda Maidan abo agi astobal tongmani haisi abono karibo sini je nuyungba rajbari je khajangmani aro bangni museum samjaka sing abo nugunya phai haisi every joto sorkani tenure no abon bai sing tabuk YTF ni bising te sing tabuk aro memorandum na thangi tongo tabuni simi YTF jese tongsa am historical place no demolish khaimi atikai sing tini omo memorandum na thangi tongo haisi tamni hinba sini oro aboni itihas Tripura belanyo rich culture haisi Rajas, Maharajas, Maharani songni oha oma antoji mahake demolish khaja kangkai sing tong kosong tongnai sini bukung bara specially tai joto o Tripura bo joto pride khai tongmana ni bagai ke bono discrimination khaya wei ke bono jat khaya ge wei ke boni kaisa kas no sing tola khiklai wei tongna ni bagai ang joto non koyo haise tino media ni biskang tai am baina ang koinai jara gabang ma Tripura sani to tei kok sai tongnai tini gabang ma khama ja khaise Oma historical monument jepro sabai jagai thang tonga sokomor jana thang tonga kok sane kroi pia sing abono tini proof khainai YTF ro abono proof khayu je jepro pano sing buskango siklarok bubagrani bisingte sing Tripura sani kok sao sing Tripura sani rights je namna amra sing fulfill khainan bai sing tini YTF bisingte sing tini memorandum dana thangai to okay Thank you to all the media friends. Today we on behalf of YTF as you all know that yesterday by some from the news from which came from the social media itself that Pujavanta Palace is going to demolish and the government of Tripura has trying to give to Taj Group of Industries for Taj Hotel. See, for this reason we oppose. We on behalf of YTF we oppose such act which is being taken by the government of Tripura. We don't oppose Taj to be created in some places. We have many lands in Tripura. Like we have created hotel polo towers. We have many lands. Why does the government of Tripura give a land to create a hotel, 5-star hotel? It's good for us actually. But instead of that, why do you want to demolish the historical place Taj Palace, which was built by Maharaja Birendra Kishore Maniko in the year 1917? So this is the reason, man. This is the main reason we today on behalf of YTF going to submit a memorandum to DM West. Sir, all these kind of act not should be repeated again and again. As we all know, in the past last CPM regime, everything has been changed. Which last it was a Astable Maidan. Now it was a Swami Kane Maidan. And in front of Rajbari, they have changed their names in the in museum. Ujanta Palace was named after the Prestige Museum. And I'm very much proud during that time. The student organization, they protest and at least we can put the name of Ujanta Palace. This is the reason we YTF condemn this kind and we oppose such kind of act which is being taken by the government of Tripura not to repeat again and again to demolish our culture and heritage. Tripura has a very rich culture for all over, not only for Tiprasa, not only for Bengalis, for everyone. So I just urge the government of Tripura not to do such untoward acts which harm the sentiments of the people of Tripura. Thank you.